everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's short tutorial, I'll show you how to remove collaboration from your Instagram posts. Make sure to watch until the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. So, what does it mean to remove an Instagram collaboration? It's simply the process of canceling the association between multiple accounts on a specific post, which can be useful when the collaboration is no longer relevant. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, find and open the post you want to edit. Once the post is open, tap the three vertical dots in the top right corner to access a menu with various options. Select Edit to make changes to your post. Now, look for the person icon in the lower left corner of the post. Tap on it to see all the collaborators and tagged accounts. To remove someone as a collaborator, just tap the cross icon next to their name. Repeat this for any other collaborators you want to remove. After you've made your changes, tap the tick icon in the top right corner to save. Confirm your changes by tapping the tick icon again. And there you go. The collaboration tag has been successfully removed from your Instagram post. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.